We all want to look better naked, so I'm here to show you a 10-minute workout that'll have you feeling like a rock star in the buff. Let's do this. All right, let's do this. I'm ready to look good naked. How about you guys?
Let's do it.
All right, we're gonna start with the Ali shuffle. So your feet start together, they're gonna come apart, and then you're switching. So we're just gonna get it going here. And remember, with this, it's like a scissor leg, so you're really getting those quads, the calves, the butt, everything warmed up, going back and forth. If you needed to modify this, you could do quick steps. If you don't like the impact, you could do a quick step. I like to just show that modification so you're not limited. You get moving, that's it. Now we're gonna go into quick jacks. So feet together and off the mat, and we go fast, in, out. Now with this, you're working the inner and outer thighs and also the butt. Okay, so in and out. Good, the faster you can go, the better. We'll see who can go the fastest on set. Who can go the fastest on set? You can also modify this one without the jump at the same time, so you can go in and out. For you mamas that maybe just had a baby, you don't want to be jumping too hard, right? So in and out, back and forth.
Oh yeah.
Ready, and relax. We're gonna come down. Push-up position. All right, so heart rate's gonna be high this whole workout. We're gonna do a push-up and rotate. So when you go down for the push-up, I want you to open up, rotate, reach up towards the sky. You're doing that side plank. Come back down, push up, rotate, arm up towards the sky. Good. So here you're working your back and shoulder in that side plank stability. Good. Working on that chest and shoulders during the push-up. This workout's geared to work a lot of muscle groups at once. Because we want to look good naked. That means you're going to see everything, right?
That's right.
Beautiful. Whew. Open. Last one. Push up, rotate, open up towards the sky. Beautiful. All right, back up on the feet. Not a lot of rest time in this workout. So right here, we're gonna go into 5 squat jumps and hold. So lower down, squat, add a little jump. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. All right, so a little isometric with a little plyometric. You're burning up those legs in a different way. Let's go back up for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold.
Oh yeah.
Come on, burn it, baby. Stick that booty out. Put your weight through your heels. Keep your chest high. Let's go 5 more. Ready? Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold.
Ooh.
Love it, don't leave it. Love it, don't leave it. And come up. Good. All right, one more round. Ali shuffle. Keep the heart rate high. Remember, we're working those legs, working those abs. Pull the belly in. Keep those arms moving. Breathe it out. Picking up those feet. Beautiful. Now remember here, guys, heart rates are high. We're working that lower body. So you want to be light on the balls of your feet, not heavy. All right, remember, you could do the quick step here if you need to. It's all good. Ready? Let's go jack feet, in and out, inside, outside. I like how quick you got there, Annie.
Oh yeah.
I can't see Alicia back there, but I know she's speedy. I love how speedy it is. Good. Inside, outside. Try to stay nice and stable. Abs are tight. Inside, outside, inside, outside. Good, and relax. Awesome. All right, back down into push-up position. All right, so you're here. Back into the push-up and rotate. So let's go down, push up. Open chest, open wide. Nice side plank and down.
That's a nice little stretch there.
Yeah. Good. Push up. Squeeze it. Open. Nice job. Down. Up. Open. Let's get one more. Down. Open. And back up on the feet. All right, so your squat jumps and holds coming up. All right, feet hip width apart or a little wider. Drop it down. Up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold.
Feel the burn.
That's it. Keep the chest high. Love it. Keep those heels on the ground. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold.
Oh yeah.
I know you love me.
Oh man.
I know you're gonna thank me later.
True.
And up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Love it, don't leave it. Love it, don't leave it. Couple more seconds. 3, 3, 2, and up. Awesome. Okay, we are coming down to the floor because we got to work that backside, you guys. Very important when you're looking in the mirror, right? So, you got your hands under your shoulders. You're gonna bring your opposite knee to elbow. Actually, let's start here. Opposite knee to elbow. Open up the chest. So kick your heel back, open up your shoulder, bring it right back under, and open. This is a little twist through the shoulder, and that low back is working.
I'm feeling.
Good. Kick that heel out nice and long. So that leg goes long. Beautiful, straight back. Let's get one more on this side. Open, good, other side. Knee to elbow, rotate, kick the heel back. So that you're always squeezing that glute when you kick the heel long behind you. Rotate it out. Good, breathe it out. One more. Rotate, awesome. Now, sticking with the back side, flip it over. Only 10 minutes, there's no break time, right? Hands underneath your shoulders, legs are straight, lift and squeeze the booty. A little back, little glute, and lower. Little hamstring, still straight leg bridge. Lift, squeeze, and lower. Nice. Lift, squeeze, lower, awesome. Shoulders are working too. So you can even squeeze those shoulder blades as you come up, squeeze those shoulder blades and make them work a little bit. You're trying to work multiple muscle groups at a time in all these moves. All right, so you look good naked.
Not easy to look good naked.
It's not. You see everything. And relax, good. On your back, we're gonna go right into a bicycle crunch because this one is so great for that nice stomach. So you're gonna, when your knees are bent at 90, lift those shoulder blades and rotate. Bicycle opposite elbow to knee and switch. Good.
Don't forget to breathe.
That's it, don't forget to breathe. And do not rush this. All right, I love how people try to like speed through it and all you're doing is working your hip flexors. Try to keep your shoulder blades up as high as you can. Really extend that leg, but keep your low back on the floor. So this one's super important. Really work it. You guys look great. 3,
it feels good.
And 1, good. Right back up into those straight legs. So hands come behind, lift and squeeze. Good, and down. Let's get 5 of these, lift. Really make the most of it. So really squeezing the glutes at the top. Let those shoulder blades pinch together. Good, press through the heels. Keep the legs straight. Guys look great.
I love how efficient this workout is.
Right?
Just 10 minutes, but really working everything. It's great.
Good, and then on your back, bicycles one more time. Here we go. Here we go. Opposite elbow to knee. Shoulder blades up as high as you can. Breathe it out. I know this one's hard to keep the low back down, but if you can really focus, you can even do smaller bicycles if that's what it takes to keep your low back on the floor, okay? When that leg goes long, it gets heavy. So when you go long, make sure you pull that lower abdominal wall in and really pull the back to the floor. Last couple seconds, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Awesome. Now, we're finishing with our grand finale, the single arm burpee, okay? So if you have to walk this one out with your feet, that's okay. You're gonna bring one hand down to the ground. You're gonna jump or walk your feet out. You're gonna jump it back in or walk it in. Add a jump, switch hands. You got your feet out, in, and you're up. Switch hands, out, in, and up. Good. Now here, keep your feet wide. It makes it easier. If you go narrow, you're making your life a lot harder. Down, out, in, and up. Come on. Out, in, and up. You're looking good. And up. Out, in, and up. Come on. Last 2.
All right,
in,
there.
And up. One more.
So worth it.
Out, in, and up. Okay, now, you guys, let's look sexy now. Come on down to the floor. We're gonna strike a pose. All right, I love this one. Shake your hips like you mean it. Up and over. Up and over. Up and over. Come on, rainbow it out. Shoulders are working, abs are working, obliques. Get those sexy sides to finish off the workout.
You got it.
Got a couple more seconds.
This is fitness with a motivation here.
That's right. That's it. Couple more seconds. Hold. Hold.
Oh my.
Just here.
So close.
Just this. All the way. And drop it to the knees. And that,
wow,
my friends, is your look good, looking good naked workout. I can hardly talk. You know I got your back. See you next time on Pop Sugar Fitness.